Getting hit with PS5 error NP-103105-0, you are not the only one. But the fix is easier than you think. Let's get you reconnected and back in the game. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today, we are troubleshooting PS5 error NP-103105-0, a connection error that can stop your console from reaching the PlayStation network and showing that the PSN server is under maintenance. Method 1. Try again later. The NP-103105-0 PS5 error may be due to a temporary server congestion. This happens mostly during peak hours, major game launches, or during holidays. Even if the PSN status appears normal, due to heavy traffic, you can experience connection issues. So you can avoid peak hours and wait for a few minutes and try again. Method 2. Change DNS settings. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. To do that, open PS5 settings, then select network, then select settings under network. Now, select setup internet connection. Select your Wi-Fi network, then select advanced settings. Now scroll down to DNS settings. Select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Select OK once done. You can also use Cloudflare DNS. For that, set the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and the secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Now open the network page. Now select test internet connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 3. Set up internet connection. Open PS5 settings, then select network. Next, select settings under network. Now select the setup internet connection. Select the network you are connected to, then select the forget option. Then wait for a few minutes, then connect it again. You will need to enter your network password again to reconnect. Follow as shown. Once done, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 4. Check PlayStation Network status. The next thing you can do is check the PSN status page. To do that, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Check if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Method 5. Update the router's firmware. The next thing you can do is update the router's firmware. You can contact your internet service provider or network administrator, then request to update the firmware of your router. Method 6. Use a wired connection. You can try to switch to a wired connection as wired connections are much more stable compared to wireless connections. To do this, connect the PlayStation 5 to your router using an Ethernet cable. Wired connections can provide a more stable and reliable connection compared to Wi-Fi. Once done, check if this works. Otherwise, go to the next method. Method 7. Contact support. If the method shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix PS5 error NP-103105-0. Hopefully, one of these steps got you back online without a hitch. If this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Silicophilic for more PS5 troubleshooting and tech tips. Let us know in the comments which solution worked for you. Your feedback could help someone else facing the same issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.